What is up, everybody? It's your boy, Sir Marlon, and we are out here again on another episode of Garage Vibes. With me today is my homeboy. You guys know him, the black dude with the 3.
That be me.
That's right, Savant Young. And today, we got a special episode for you guys. That's right. We rolling up on one of our boys. You guys see him, Mr. Kimbo Slice. Hey,
look at
that's
him.
right.
The champ.
Woo! That's what I'm talking about.
Hey, here's the belt.
Don't pull a hamstring now. Don't pull a hamstring.
Shit, I'm pulling my back right now. I'm fucking so old.
What's going on, brother?
How you doing, man? What's up? My name's Eddie, aka Kimbo.
That's right.
I own a 1975 Mazda Rotary engine pickup, aka the REPU.
That's
The
right.
REPU.
The REPU, for those of you guys who don't know.
The REPU, not repo.
The REPU, not the
REPU.
repo, that shit. REPU, R-U-P-E.
What's
We
the,
pay bills.
what's the other one that they call it? They call it the REPU, the REPU,
The REPU.
whatever. You guys know what it is. Here it is, right here. This was my inspiration. This is the reason why I wanted to get a truck. I mean, this thing is just badass right here.
I like it.
Yep.
I like
I don't
it.
know, thank you, but I said it's far from good and everything, and I've been inspired by other people, just like you've been inspired, but I've been inspired by the
Hey, for those of you that don't know, you're gonna know soon enough.
So, how did you end up acquiring the truck, bro?
Well, like I said, I was inspired by the caw, and he knew somebody who had one available, and I didn't, like I said, when I saw his, he was rolling down the street, and luckily he was one of my neighbors across the street, down maybe about a block away, and I just fell in love with the truck. So after seeing it up close, I just said I had to have one, and he found somebody who had one, and I just said, you know what, whatever it is, I bought it, and this is what I have now.
Now, how long have you actually been in the build process?
Well, my build process is practically done, but it's done, but I want to redo it again. It's been about 10 years or so I've had it.
A straight decade.
A decade worth, yeah.
You know what I'm saying? A decade. I mean, 10 years.
So this is pretty much 10 years of your hard work, blood, sweat, and tears into it.
Yeah. Sweat and tears and blood and half of my financial system.
But it feel good, right? You can't tell me you don't feel good.
No, I love this truck.
I don't see another one on this whole fucking block. And I haven't seen one today while I've been out. And I haven't seen one this week on any street. So
These things are getting rarer and rarer to find, especially in good condition. I mean, I think the last one that sold for like it was like 8,000-9,000, like, and it was like in not that great condition.
Oh, it was beat.
Yeah.
Yeah, seriously.
8,000 and it was beat up by.
This is a gem right here.
People call it a gem. I call it a headache.
You think so?
You know what?
I'll buy it. You want to sell it?
It's not for sale. It's not for sale.
Don't say that shit, because you know who will show up in a second.
Know.
Yeah.
You already know who shows up.
Look at the trees.
Look at
Is
the
he around?
There he is.
Anytime,
There he goes.
anytime something comes up for sale, it's like you already know.
We gotta watch
Yeah,
out.
but no, this is when I die. This is gonna be my son's, and hopefully he continues with it and he passes it on. And I know it's gonna get harder to find parts, but if he keeps it in good condition, then he wouldn't need any parts to find.
That's cool, man. I mean, to have your boy take it on and continue that whole little legacy of what you left. You know what I'm saying? I think that's what the car culture is about. You know what I mean? Pass it on.
Tell us a little bit of some of the stuff you've actually done to the truck over the years. Because I mean, obviously, it wasn't this color when you first got it, right?
No, when I first bought it, the truck was green, and somebody had painted it primer black. And after that, I with time, I took it apart, started looking to see what color I wanted. I looked at everything that was out there, and one color that stand out to me was the Tangelo orange or whatever it is. And sure enough, that's the color I fell in love with. So that's the color I went with.
Now, what is you've done anything else to the truck? Like,
the little upgrades I done to the truck was I bought a aerospace component front brake kit.
Okay.
I converted it from a 6 lug to a 5 lug. I put an LSD rear end. I put some, as you can see, some Epson wheels, the center locks. I did my interior, lowered the truck by 3 inches. I had QA1 suspension all the way around, and just a turbo 2 engine.
Oh, turbo 2. So you mean we got boost?
Well, you know what? I had boost,
Okay.
but I had a little problem with running a carburetor boosted engine, and so what I wanted was a reliable car. So I went with the side draft Mikuni carburetor,
Okay.
and it's just after that, it's just that's it.
It works, though.
It works.
It works.
I get from A to B,
It works.
maybe to Z if I
Right.
needed to, but
Right.
that's all I need.
Because all these old car guys know, you know, as soon as you start diving into the boost, when
Yeah.
the problems come, buddy.
Yeah.
I know firsthand.
I
trust
know
me.
for a fact too.
Trust me.
all right, dude, let's pop the hood. Let's see what you got under this beast. Yeah, because I remember the first time that I saw your truck, I think was at JCCS.
Yeah, 2000.
You were at the Falcon booth, right?
Actually, I was at the Motul booth.
Motul, that's what it was.
Motul had sponsored
it
me,
was.
and
I remember that.
and I had a Cartec turbo blow-through system. And after a while, like I said, it was just giving me too many headaches, and I just went, you know, what's something reliable. And after this, I've never seen anything else, and I get to from A to Z, and I have no problems.
Now, have you done anything to this block at all, or is it stock?
It's a stock turbo 2, and it's gonna stay stock till I want to go back to boost it or until I go an FD engine.
So no port job.
Nah, no port job, everything stock.
Okay.
Like I said, besides that Weber, that's Mikuni, it's all stock.
I see that aftermarket Gatorade bottle.
Oh yeah, that's
Hey.
that's special kind. You know, it's like hard to find.
You know, my little carbohydrates.
Yeah, so you know, get dehydrated. When you or the car gets dehydrated, it'll go back in there.
So Eddie, now you said you eventually have other plans as well for like, what are these future plans for the truck?
My future plans for the truck is get it repainted, same color, and go an FD. Maybe stock. Maybe the most I go with small turbo on it, but definitely an FD with the high-tech or Haltech ECU. Just something reliable. I don't want nothing crazy. Like I said, those folks, old folks, we just want something reliable, and that's it. We don't care about, you know, going from A to B in a matter of seconds. I just want something that's gonna stop, that's gonna go somewhere, it's gonna take me back home, sit in my chair, drink me a beer, and that's it.
Yeah, sometimes it's just about the cruise, right?
That's right, that's all it's all about. Something's hanging out with your boys, kicking back, enjoying the day, and that's it. That's all that matters.
All right, Eddie, dude, thank you very much for hosting us. For those of you guys who don't, Eddie's pretty much, he's a union head. He is a union head. He's always supported from day one.
Day one.
We support Eddie. I mean, it's a brotherhood amongst us. We don't single anybody out.
Never.
One thing about VJMU is we will always welcome everybody and anybody. You know, it doesn't matter if you have an old school car. I don't care if you have something new. If you want to come out, hang with us, and have a beer,
Pull up.
Pull up.
Pull up. And before pulling up, make sure you go follow our channel, because we want to know what you guys want to see. This is what we want to do, but we want to get some feedback. So like, comment, subscribe to the page. We're trying to bring you these episodes every week. And we're trying to get the real people, you know what I mean? We're not trying to get all these guys that are out here, you know, with the million of followers. We're trying to let you guys know from the grassroots perspective of this car culture. And stay tuned, because y'all gonna see some fresh shit coming up, just like you saw.
That's right. That's right. So with that said, everybody, we are out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you guys know when these episodes are dropping. And with that said, ladies and gentlemen, we out.
Hey.
Hey.